So I'm Sarah Steingruber. I am the Program Manager at Transparency International's Pharmaceuticals and Healthcare Program. So I live in London in the UK, but I'm from Canada originally. So my background is in global public health, and I studied that in Berlin. I did a number of placements in West Africa and Southeast Asia, and then following that I went back to Germany, where I studied and worked with the GIZ, which is the German Development Corporation, on issues around access to medicines, which has a lot to do with corruption of supply chains, counterfeit or substandard and falsified medicines. And then when I moved to the UK, there was the opportunity to be a part of the Pharmaceuticals and Healthcare Program, which is a global program, so it was very attractive to me in that regard. So the two areas that I think that I've really helped, the schools really helped me to improve my knowledge base on is around the private sector and how the private sector is challenged with the issue of corruption, particularly when they're working in multiple jurisdictions, so multinational companies, for example. In the pharmaceutical industry, for example, they have a lot of challenges competing with local markets and local industry. So it's really good for me to understand more the challenges that they face, because otherwise I come with perhaps unrealistic demands for them. And then the other area that I think the schools really helped me to see the connection to anti-corruption with is behavioral science. We had a really interesting lecture from Emil Schur, an academic, and that really helped to explain to me or provide me with more information about how you can use human behavior or human behavior trends to try and influence anti-corruption. So I would definitely recommend the school to colleagues or peers. I think if they don't have a strong knowledge base in corruption, or if they're looking for new impulse, then the school is an awesome opportunity for them to come and get a lot of information and meet a lot of people working in this space. For me, it's been really enriching. The week's not even finished yet, and I feel very fulfilled. So yeah, certainly recommend it to others.